And welcome back to Yellow Doob, Someone BD. Today we're doing a 10-minute full-body fat burn workout. Perfect for beginners, perfect for busy people, and the best part, you need zero equipment. Just your body, your determination, and 10 minutes of focus. Ready? Let's get started. Exercise 1. March in place, 20 sec. Start with a light march. Lift your knees, pump your arms, wake up your body, get your blood flowing, easy pace. Exercise 2, arm circles, 20 sec. Arms out, small circles, feel your shoulders loosen up, keep breathing, inhale, exhale. Exercise 3, torso twist, 20 sec. Twist side to side, we're warming up your core, obliques, and spine, nice and gentle. Transition, warm up done. Now the real work begins, but remember, this is your pace. Don't stop, just keep moving. Workout starts. 10 exercises, 40 sec on 20 sec. Rest exercise. 1 jumping jacks, 0, 0, 1, 0, 41. Let's begin strong. Jumping jacks to fire up your whole body. Keep your chest up, arms all the way overhead. This is your energy booster, don't quit. Rest, 20 sec. Great start. Shake your arms and legs. Next, we target your lower and upper body together. Exercise 2. Squats. 101, 141. Feet shoulder width apart. Sit back as if there's a chair behind you. Push through your heels. Squeeze your glutes. Slow, controlled, powerful. Rest, 20 sec. Feel that burn. That's progress. Next move, upper body and core together. Exercise 3. High knees. 201, 241. Drive your knees up. Imagine you're running in place with purpose. Arms tight, core engaged. Push your pace, but stay comfortable. Rest, 20 secs. Deep breath. The burn means it's working. Exercise 4. Shoulder taps. 301, 341. Plank position. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Keep your hips steady. Control is key. This builds core strength without crunches. Rest, 20 sec. Exercise 5. Reverse lunges. 401, 441. Step back gently, drop your knee low, keep your chest straight, switch legs smoothly. This will light up your legs and increase stability. Rest, 20 secs. Exercise 6. Mountain climbers. 501, 541. Core tight, drive your knees forward, fast or slow, it's your workout. Feel the heart rate going up. This is fat burn mode. Rest, 20 sec. Exercise 7. Plank to stand. 601, 641. Start in a plank. Step your feet forward, stand up tall, then back down again. Full body movement, strength plus mobility in 1. Rest, 20 sec. Exercise 8. Standing side crunch. 701, 741. Elbow to knee, crunch your obliques while standing. Great for beginners, no neck strain. Feel the side burn. Rest, 20 sec. Exercise 9. Squat plus. Front kick. 801, 841. Squat down and kick forward. Alternate legs. This boosts calorie burn and balance. Kick like you mean it. Rest, 20 sec. Exercise 10. Burpees. 10. 901, 941. You reach the final move. Give it everything. Step back or jump back. You can modify, but don't stop. This is where fat melts. Rest, 20 sec. You did it. Last 20 seconds. Breathe. Cool down. 10 to 11 hours. Exercise deep breathing. 20 sec. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Let your heartbeat slow down. Hamstring stretch. 20 sec. Reach toward your toes. Feel your legs lengthening. Quad stretch. 20 sec each leg. Hold your ankle behind you. Keep your balance. Switch legs. Outro. 11 Nabukamas. 11:20. Great job. You just finished a 10-minute full-body fat burn workout with Yellow Doob Tom BD. If you want more workouts like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment more fat burn workouts below. See you in the next session.